Let's dive into the importance of testing chemicals in your pool. Regular testing ensures the balance of key chemicals such as chlorine, pH, and alkalinity. To test them, use a reliable test kit.
To test chlorine, rinse and fill chlorine bromine cell to mark with water to be tested. Add 5 drops of reagent 1 and 5 drops of reagent 2. Cap and invert to mix. Match color with color standard. Record as parts per million. To test the pH, rinse and fill pH cell to mark with water to be tested. Add 5 drops of reagent 14, cap and invert to mix. Match color with color standard. Record as pH units and save sample if pH needs adjustments. To make sure that your swimming environment is safe, keep chlorine in the levels from 1 to 3 parts per million. pH is between 7.4 to 7.6 and alkalinity in the range of 80 to 120. To test alkalinity, rinse and fill sample tube to 25 ml mark with water to be tested. Add 2 drops of reagent 7, swirl to mix. Add 5 drops of reagent 8, swirl to mix, and then sample will turn green. After that, add reagent 9 dropwise, swirling and counting after each drop until color changes from green to red. After that, multiply drops in step 4 by 10. Record as parts per million total alkalinity as calcium carbonate.
Chlorine is by far the most important chemical to keep the water sanitized.
To add tablets to the feeder, simply turn the pump off. Open the lid. Add the necessary amount of 3-inch chlorine tabs. Ensure the O-ring is in place and close the lid.
The chlorinator also has a control valve, which allows to control the flow of the water through it, helping you adjust the chlorine levels in the pool itself. Let's talk about backwashing and rinsing pool filters. Over time, pool filters collect debris, and backwashing helps to clear out the contaminants. To allow for backwashing, turn off your pool pump, apply pressure to the multi-port valve, and turn it clockwise until it hits the backwash mark. Now you can safely turn the pump on again and allow the cycle to run until the water is clear.
After backwashing, turn off the pump and switch the multi-port valve to rinse. Then turn the pump back on and allow it to run for 15 to 20 seconds to allow the filter media to settle.
Once you are done with rinsing, don't forget to turn multi-port valve back to filter and allow the pump to run again.
One of the essential parts of pool maintenance is clearing out your skimmer and pump baskets. First, you need to turn off the pump and then close the valve located on the suction side of the pool. Then you are safe to open the skimmer lid and clear out the basket. Don't forget to put it back in once you are done. Then you can proceed to the pump basket. You'll have to open the pump lid and take out the debris. Make sure that the notches on the basket align with the pump housing when putting it back in. When putting the pump lid back on, make sure to not lose the O-ring inside the lid, as it is essential for proper sealing. After that, you are good to open the suction valve and turn the pump back on.
Thank you, and have a good day.